The classroom management aspect of mastering ISTE Standard 3A was done through my practicum through the use of Go Guardian, which is a computer monitoring software that our district uses. And one aspect that I like about it is I'm able to create different scenes for different classes. I have one set up for a study guide that we did. I wanted the kids to be able to use their Chromebooks, but not able to Google the answers. As you have questions on a study guide, that's one of the first things the students do is just go to Google and look everything up. And I wanted them to specifically blocked everything except for these websites. They were able to get on Google Classroom and access our digital copy of the play. They were able to access the questions, and that is all that they were able to access. They had to actually go back to the text and answer all the questions. And that was a very good tool for us to use. I have a scene set up for quiz and test days, where again, everything's blocked. It automatically opens onto the Google Forms test that I give the students. They're only allowed to have one tab open. So basically, they automatically get sent to the digital assessment, and they can't go anywhere else. And this decreases the incidence of cheating on tests, which is a great thing for teachers. And this has helped a lot with classroom management because I can monitor what the students are doing. They know I'm watching. They know I'm going to close things out if they're not on what they're supposed to be doing. And it helps them make better choices, because if I forget to initiate the software, I've noticed that as I go around the room, they are not on websites they're not supposed to be doing because they don't realize I'm not watching. So this has been a great tool for classroom management and encouraging the students to make better choices.